AutoCAD 2018 offers subtle but powerful enhancements to make selecting and snapping to objects easier than ever. Sometimes, especially in large crowded drawings, you may want to zoom into a specific area of the drawing to begin a selection set and then continue the same selection set as you pan and zoom around the drawing. In AutoCAD 2018, you can do that. If you're using a rectangular window or crossing selection, for example, or even polygonal, fence, or lasso selections, you can begin the selection window in one part of your drawing and then pan and zoom to another part while maintaining selection of the off-screen objects. You can control the behavior of off-screen selection using the Selection Off-Screen System variable. Selection of line types is also improved in AutoCAD 2018. With line type gap selection enabled, you can now select and snap to complex and DGN line types, even on the gaps between the line segments. And you're not limited to simple geometry like lines and circles. It's supported by all objects, such as polylines that have a width and splines.